Hi there everyone, welcome to the Ukulele channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragdale's ukulele chord melodies. You can find them on my website at ukestuff.info for free. If you go to the music pull down, you'll see a tab for Elizabeth's work and you can download this document free. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, I will demonstrate the song on low G GCA ukulele. Then I'll do a tutorial on low G GCA ukulele. At the end of the video, I'll also play it on high G GCA ukulele so you can hear how it sounds, and then I'll also play it on baritone. If you're going to play it on baritone, just be aware that the actual note names that you see, or the notes themselves and the chords, are not going to be right. The strings will work. If you play the tablature, you're in good shape, but the actual musical notes will be wrong, as well as chord names. If you want to support the work in this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. I have some other things for sale also at that Buy Me a Coffee page, including 2 books of chord melodies that are a little bit harder than these, both carols and hymns, 2 different books. You can also find those books on Apple Bookstore and then also at the Amazon Kindle store and in print at Amazon as well. All right, here's the demonstration of Drink to Me Only with Thine Eyes. All right, as we begin this tutorial, there are a few chords that keep coming up. You've got a C chord. You've got a variation of the C chord where instead of playing your ring finger on the 1st string 3rd fret, you actually play, you could do the same thing with the ring finger, 2nd string 3rd fret, and play strings 4, 3, and 2. That's really sounding a G, a C, and a G. So it's not officially a chord. A chord is supposed to have 3 unique notes, but it's functioning as a C chord. You will have an F chord in there as well, and then you'll also have one spot, a D minor chord or part of a D minor chord at the end. All right, let's begin with the first line. You need a C chord. You're playing strings 4, 3, and 2. Then repeat the 2nd string twice. Then play a G7 without the 1st string. I mean, you can make the shape too if you want to and just not play it, but they'd be strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string. Then that other C chord where you're going to put the ring finger probably on the 2nd string 3rd fret, playing strings 4, 3, and 2. That allows you to go down to the 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string open, then put your 2nd finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret and play strings 4 and 3. Back up to the 2nd string open, 2nd string 1st fret, that's C chord again. Then we're 3rd string open, 2nd string 1st fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. Bring your 2nd finger over to the 3rd string 2nd fret, play strings 4 and 3. Then open strings 4 and 3. Then she put in just one note there, a 3rd string 2nd fret, and then back to strings 4 and 3 again. This basically repeats again. A C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. G7, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string. C chord again with the 2nd string 3rd fret. 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string open. Strings 4 and 3 with the 3rd finger on the 2nd fret. 2nd string open, 2nd string 1st fret. That's C chord again. 3rd string open, 2nd string 1st fret. Strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd finger goes on the 3rd string 2nd fret, playing strings 4 and 3. And then strings 4 and 3 open. Then 3rd string 2nd fret, strings 4 and 3 open. Now we get to the B part of the song. So it is the second string, third fret, and then you play strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift open, back to the third fret, normal C chord, back to the second string, third fret, strings 4, 3, and 2, open, then third fret, then strings 4, 3, and 2 again. Repeat that note, second string, third fret. Now F chord, back to that second string, third fret, add your second finger to the third string, second fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, first fret, second string, open, strings 4, 3, and 2, open. Second finger goes on the third string, second fret, strings 4 and 3. Then, bottom line of the song, 4, 3, and 2, open. Repeat the second string, G7, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, C chord with the third finger on the second string, third fret, second string, first fret, second string, open. Now, this is the one different chord, a D minor chord she put in there. So I am using fingers 2 and 3 on the fourth and third strings at the second fret, second string, open, second string, first fret, second string, third fret with strings 4, 3, and 2, third string, open, second string, first fret, open 4, 3, and 2. Second finger goes down on the third string, second fret, playing strings 4 and 3. Then open 4 and 3. Open second string, third string, second fret, strings 4 and 3, open. And that's Drink to Me Only with Thine Eyes, as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale. Now let me play it for you on high G and then baritone as well. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this demonstration tutorial of Drink to Me Only with Thine Eyes, as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale as part of her ukulele chord melody collection, which again you can find on my website, ukestuff.info, music, and then go down to the works of Elizabeth Ragsdale. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.